wheat. My name is Ibrahim. I am from Turkey. I am working at CIMMYT, International Maize and Wheat Improvement Center, as a research assistant. I started to work in CIMMYT at 2012. Until 2016, I worked in wheat physiology program, and then I started to work in wheat breeding program, and I am still working in a wheat breeding program. A panel of 100 wheat, 50 spring from Russia, 50 winter from Turkey genotypes was grown for 3 weeks in aeroponic platform. Plants were automatically moved through the box and root system were imaged periodically every 2 hours during 3 weeks using a high-resolution camera. At the end of 3 weeks, a high-resolution image of the root system has been acquired and the root and shoot fresh and dry biomass have been measured. Dynamic root traits were assessed semi-automatically for individual roots using a in-house software tools. Partial access to plant phenotyping facilities was very important for me. The new technologies and methods for determining root properties have found some relatively simple and rapid selection criteria for drought tolerance that use roots or related properties to use in practical breeding, and to better observe the role of roots for drought tolerance in wheat physiology. I believe that this project will make a great contribution to global and regional food security and to develop a stable yield in the world's vast and important crop production regions with new technologies to be developed and implemented in the future for plant phenotyping. Thank you APPN, UCL and Professor Xavier Draye.